A fat cat lives with his beautiful wife, who constantly scolds him to eat less and go to the gym to become smart and attractive. But the fat cat remains unaffected. One day, his wife leaves him, and the fat cat decides to join the gym. There, other cats mock him, but he works out with determination. And transforms into a smart, muscular cat. Filled with joy, he takes a bouquet of flowers to win back his wife, who embraces him happily. They both return home, laughing and content.